For this day, many people inside Bühler and outside in the industry have been waiting for decades. For the first time since 70 years, we have inaugurated a new test mill. Now this test facility, the Grain Innovation Center, has multi-purpose. The first one is for our own R&D. We use this to test and validate our technologies, our new solutions. Second, it's for our customers. They can de-risk their investments, they can come here with their ideas, with their raw materials, and we find solutions for them. And third, we also use it for training.
We have taken some of the technology which was installed in the first application center, grinding, some of the sifting, but we have added all the processes and the equipment to do pulses, to do special grains, to do other stuff we have not done in the past. Of course, we have added all the latest technology in terms of process optimization and digitalization. So we have a very modern playground today.
Also for us in feed milling, we see a lot of potential here in these application centers to work a lot with alternative raw materials, it's more local sources, but also working on more side streams so that we can also bring a big way forward for the sustainability of feed products.
Eu vi muitas novas tecnologias que eu não conheço e que podem ser importantes no futuro para a empresa que eu trabalho no Brasil.
Ja, ich denke, das Wichtige dabei ist, dass man Innovationen sieht hier, dass man sie erleben kann. Das bringt auch uns und unseren Leuten sehr viel, dass man sieht, was hier getan wird und wie wir vorankommen und es auch fühlbar zu machen.
Se a gente quiser trabalhar no mundo competitivo, acho que a gente tem que pensar em inovação, em treinamento do pessoal, melhorar os nossos processos. Então eu acho que tendo um centro de inovação nos ajuda a entender isso para poder levar para dentro de onde a gente trabalha nos moinhos.
This was the missing puzzle piece to connect everything from the raw material to all kinds of different end products. And now we can test in one facility all the possible processes, including what we can do to upcycle side streams and all that in one location.